All right, we are back to chapter 3. This time we are focusing on the partial products strategy. I will go ahead and say before I get started that this is my least favorite of all the strategies. I feel that it is the same as the area model, except for a little more confusing to look at. So I'll go ahead and start and say, let's do an easy number, 24 times 35. Okay, so in partial products, what it's going to want you to do first is you're going to have to multiply your 20 times your 30. So we're going to write that over to the side. You're going to multiply your tens times each other first. And then we're going to multiply our ones times each of the tens. So we'll do 5 times 20, or 20 times 5. And then we will do 4 times 30. And let's see, so then 2 times 3 is 6. 20 times 5 is going to be 100. And then 4 times 3 is going to be 12 with 1 0. And then our last one is going to be our ones times our ones for a total of 20. So basically, you've taken what you had in an area model over here, these partial products, and instead of putting them in a box, now you're stacking them on top of each other. So that's why I'm saying that I think this one's a little bit better. But either way, they do need to know this strategy because it is something that they will be seeing on a test. So I do want them to be familiar with it. And again, you would just find the sum of all of those partial products. And that would be your final product. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Again, just so that it can be seen so nobody misses it. Let's do 36 times 52. All right. Oops, let me stack those. 36 and 52. All right, first things first, we're going to multiply our tens times our tens, 30 times 50. Then our ones times our tens, so 2 times 30, or 30 times 2. And then 50 times 6. And then our ones times our ones, 6 times 2. So then again, we're just going to go through, multiply all these together. 3 times 5, 15. 1 and 2 zeros. 3 times 2, 6. Oops, I'm in the wrong place. And 1 0. 5 times 6 is 30 with 1 0. And then 6 times 2 is 12. Find the sum of all of these partial products, and you will have your final product. So each of these factors just gets broken down into its expanded form. Instead of putting it in a box, it just gets stacked on top of itself.